Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 4, multiplication and division.
First we will see multiplication. You already know about the multiplication. In the third and fourth class, we have learned about the multiplication of 3-digit number with 2-digit number, 3-digit with 1-digit, and 2-digit with 2-digit number. Right? Now, what do you know about the multiplication? You know something about the multiplication? Yes, we know that multiplication is the repeated addition of the number. Right? Addition of the big number repeatedly is very tedious. However, it takes less time and efforts to find the answer by multiplication. For example, 7845 multiplied by 15. To get this answer, we could add 7845 15 times, which could be very tedious and we may make a mistake. To make it easy and accurate in less time and efforts, we will do multiplication. Okay? We also know that the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. And the answer of the multiplication is called product. Understood, everyone?
Now, today we are going to learn about multiplying a given number by a 3-digit number. So let us take one example here. We will multiply 754 by 368. First step is we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Okay. So how we start with the multiplication? We always start the multiplication from the unit place. Right. So what is the unit place in the multiplier 368? 8. Right. So I will be doing first multiplication of 754 by 8. Understood? So let's start. 8 fours are 32. 2 will come here and carry forward 3. Right? Now 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 3 will come here and carry it forward 4. Got it? Now 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. There is no more number over here, so I will directly write 60. Okay? Now I will multiply 754 by 6. Okay. Remember, while multiplying by tens digit, we put a 0 in a unit place. Okay. So I will write 0 here. Because this 6 is in a 10 place, so I have to write 0 in a unit place. Okay. Now 6 fours are 24. I will rub this 4 and 3. Okay. Now 6 fours are 24. So 4 will come here and carry it forward 2. Now 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So 2 will come here and carry it forward 3. Understood? Now 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus this 3. So 45. I will directly write 45 over here. Now we are done with 8 and 6. Now we will multiply 754 by 3. Okay. So this 3 is in 100 place, right? So I will put 0 in a units place and in tens place. Okay. Now 3 4s are 12, right? 2 will come here and carried forward 1. Understood? Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. So 6 will come here and carried forward 1. Understood? Now 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So 22 will come here. Understood? Now we will add them. Okay. Now 2 plus 0 0 will be 2 only. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So 7 will come here and carried forward 1, right? Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now this 2 will come as it is 2. Okay. So we get 2,77,472. Understood everyone? Now we will do problem set number 40. Okay. First question is multiply. Question number 1 is 327 multiply by 92. Okay. First we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Now we will multiply 327 by 2. Okay. So 2 7s are 14. 4 will come here and carried forward 1. Right? Now 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 3s are 6. Understood? Now we will multiply 327 by 9. Okay. So this 9 is in tens place. So I will write 0 in a unit place. Okay. Now 9 7s are 63. Right? 3 will come here and carried forward 6. Okay. Now 9 2s are 18. Okay. 18 plus 6 is 24. Okay. So 4 will come here and carried forward 2. Now 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 29. So I will directly write 29 over here. Understood? Now we will add them. So 4 plus 0 will be 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 will come here and carried forward 1. 1 plus 9 is again 10. So again 0 will come here and carried forward 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. So we get 30,084. Understood? Now question number 2. 807 multiplied by 126. Okay. First we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Okay. So let's start. First we will multiply 807 by 6. So 6 sevens are 42, right? So 2 will come here and carry it forward 4. Okay, and 6 zeros are will be 0 only. So I will directly write this 4 here. Okay, now 6 eights are 48. So 4 and 8. Done. Now I will multiply 807 by 2. Okay. This 2 is in tens place, so I will write 0 in a units place. Okay. So 2 sevens is 14. So carry forward 1 and 4 will come here, right? Now 2 zeros are will be 0 only, so I will write directly 1. Understood? Now 2 eights are 16. 1 6. Got it? Now we will multiply 807 by 1. So this 1 is in 100 place, so I will write 0 in tens place and in units place. Understood? Now 1 sevens are 7, 1 zeros are 0, 1 eights are 8. Done. Now we will add them. 2, 4 plus 4 will be 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 will come here and carry it forward 1. Understood? Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 will come here and carry it forward 1. Done? Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 1 and 0. We get 1,01,682. Understood everyone? Question number 3. 567 multiplied by 890. First we will arrange them in vertical form like this. Now remember, any number multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So 567 multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So it means 0 sevens are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 5s are 0. Okay. Now we will multiply 567 by 9. So this 9 is in tens place. So I will write 0 in a unit place. Got it? Now 9 sevens are is 63. So 3 will be here and carried forward 6. Understood? Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 60. Right? So 0 will come here and carry it forward 6. Done. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6 is 51. So I will directly write 51 over here. Done. Now we will multiply 567 by this 8. Okay. So this 8 is in 100 place, so I will write 0 in units place and in tens place. Understood? Now 8 sevens are 56. So 8 sevens is 56. So 6 will come here and carried forward 5. Done. Now 8 6 is 48 plus this 5 53, right? So 3 will come here and carried forward 5. Done. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5 45. So we will write 45 directly. Okay. So now we will add them. 0. 3 plus 0 will be 3 only. Again 6. 1 plus 3 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 will come here and carried forward 1. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. Right? So we get 5,04,630. Understood everyone? Now remaining questions we will do tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.